Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Speck Presidio Grip Case. I have the white and black version on my iPhone 8 Plus and the Eclipse blue and carbon black version on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I'll put some links in the description to Amazon if you're interested. The boxes are identical on both cases. On the front, it says that the Presidio grip has up to 10 feet of drop protection, which is really good, and it also tells you that the case has 2 layers of protection that they call Impactium shock barrier that helps give the case its 10 feet drop rating. On the back, it shows the features of the case and the lifetime warranty. On the inside, it pretty much says the same features, and you also have the case itself. The case just pops out easily, and I like that because you don't have to fumble with the packaging to get the case out. The insides of the cases are rubber, which won't scratch your phone, and the sides of the insides have ridges to help with drops. You also have the Speck logo and some other stuff on the inside that is embossed. To put on the cases, all you have to do is put one side of the phone into the case and then snap the opposite side into place. When I first put on the case and held the phone in my hands, I immediately felt how grippy it was. On the back of the case, there are little rubber strips that are rounded and some of them go over to the sides of the case. My palm rests really nicely on the grip whether I'm using my left hand or my right hand. The grip feels really nice when you're using your phone in landscape mode, like when you're playing a video game or watching a video. When you lay your phone down on a flat surface, the grip helps to prevent your phone from moving, which is nice. Also on the back, you have a little Speck logo towards the top right corner of the case. I really appreciate how they kept their logo subtle because it gives the case a less flashy, more minimalistic look. Speck says that these cases have a scratch-resistant finish. The back has a matte texture and it feels very durable. I haven't used these cases for very long, but I'm very confident that they will last for a long time. Of course, you got your cutouts for everything. On the iPhone, the camera cutout is nice and wide. The vibrate switch cutout is large enough and I can use the switch with no problems. The speaker cutouts are exact and the lightning port is large, so you'll have no problem fitting third-party cables. On the Note 8, the cutout for the camera's flash and fingerprint sensor is great because I can easily find the fingerprint sensor without having to look at my phone. On the top, you have a cutout for your microphone, and on the bottom, you have cutouts for your headphone jack, charging port, microphone, speakers, and S Pen. The S Pen cutout is large enough and I have had no problems taking the S Pen out and putting it back in. I really like how the buttons feel with the cases on. It has a rubber texture which makes it very easy to feel out so you know where to press even though you're not looking at your phone, and they still feel very tactile and responsive. Overall, the Speck Presidio Grip Case is an amazing case that will protect your phone and give your phone some grip. If you own a phone with a glass back like the iPhone 8 Plus, Note 8, or iPhone 10, I highly recommend getting this case. These cases go for about $45, which is a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth the investment, especially if your phone costs $1,000. I also really love that Speck includes a lifetime warranty with these cases and they come in a bunch of different colors. As always, I'll leave some links in the description to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing this case. Oh yeah, both of these cases support wireless charging if you're wondering about that. That was my video review of the Speck Presidio Grip Case for the iPhone 8 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!